Hi everyone, I'm Shiok from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to add new contacts to WhatsApp. Adding contacts allows you to easily stay in touch and expand your network on the app. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In the chat section, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the new contact option. In the phone number field, type in the number of the contact you want to add. In the name field, type in the name you want to save for this contact. Finally, tap the Save button at the top right corner to add the contact to your WhatsApp list. And this is how you can add new contacts to WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.